as you said, it's wasteful to get rid of a plant, even if it's not thriving. To get rid of it than to spend money putting a new thing in when you could just try this first. Got these guys. Right? You don't like the shape, they're overgrown. So what I think you should do is go in there, and you need a chainsaw. There is some new growth in there, so you're gonna bring these branches in to about 3 feet from the trunk. Ideally a little bit narrow from the top so the sun can actually get in. It's gonna look horrid for a little bit, but it'll fill in. It's amazing how much new growth there is actually in there despite how shady it is inside.
Wow, these were absolutely cut to nothing but dead looking branches, and look at how they have survived.